look at this.
Unbelievable.
How long has it been here? Primary control surfaces are completely fused. Yeah, look at the cracks in the dash. She really took a hit. Could we still access the secondary systems manually? The angle steady? Got it. Watch the wiring, mate. Careful, careful. Perfect. Clear. Keep sanding that fender, it's not smooth enough. All right, almost done with the masking here. She's all hooked up, ready to go. All right, let's hear this thing.